Want to access your photos using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to link Samsung Gallery. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Connected Apps. Now, scroll down and find Samsung Gallery. You'll see a switch next to it. If the switch is gray, it means Samsung Gallery is not linked yet. Tap the switch. A new screen will appear asking you to link your Samsung Gallery account. You'll see two options, No Thanks or Link. Tap Link to continue. Once linked, the switch will turn blue. This means Samsung Gallery is now enabled. Now you can use Gemini to access and work with your photos more easily. If the switch is already blue, tap it again to disable the feature. The switch will turn gray, and Gemini will no longer access your gallery. And that's how to link Samsung Gallery in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.